13 Natural Ways to Grow Thicker, Longer Eyelashes. Here are some of the best ways to promote beautiful and healthy lashes naturally. The best and safest way to get great eyelashes is to eat healthy and go for natural treatments that will enhance the growth and keep them healthy. Remove eye makeup at the end of the day. Makeup clogs the skin around the eyes, which is very thin already. Mascara is heavy on the lashes. Be very gentle when you are removing your eye makeup. If you are rough with your lashes, they can become sparse and may not grow back as healthy as they are right now. Be gentle. Become more aware of how you might be harming your lashes and adopt a softer touch. Be gentle with the area around your eye. The skin is very delicate here and it is very easy to break off eyelashes. Avoid rubbing or scrubbing around your eyes. Patting around the eyes is a much safer way to ensure your eyelashes stay intact. Massage your eyelids. When you massage your eyelids, it improves blood flow to the hair follicles. This means that more nutrients reach the follicles and as a result, your lashes can grow faster. To massage, wash your hands thoroughly and place a couple drops of coconut oil on your lids. Use your fingertips to massage your eyelids and lash line, in small circular motions. Do this for 5 minutes, twice a day for 3 months. Diet. Nutritional deficiencies can lead to unhealthy hair and eyelashes. Consume a diet loaded with healthy whole foods. Reducing or eliminating refined sugar, gluten and fast foods will help eliminate whole body inflammation, promote clear and healthy skin. Be sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Castor oil. You will need 1 to 2 drops castor oil and 1 drop lavender oil. A Q-tip or a clean mascara wand. Mix the 2 oils together and apply this on the eyelashes carefully. Leave it on overnight. Do this every night, and you will have long, thick lashes in just a couple of days. These oils will nourish the hair follicles. Containing antioxidants, essential oils will make this remedy even more potent and help to restore and maintain healthy lash growth. They also improve circulation. Shea butter. Shea butter contains a good amount of vitamin A and vitamin E. It will nourish the hair and the hair follicles and enhance growth. You will need some organic shea butter. Take a tiny amount of shea butter in between your fingertips and melt it by rubbing your fingers together. Apply this on your eyelashes. Keep it on over the night. Apply the shea butter every night. Green tea. Green tea is very soothing not only for tired eyes but also tired eyelashes. The plethora of antioxidants found in green tea promotes healthy lash growth and make them longer, thicker, and stronger. Take 1 teaspoon green tea leaves and a cup of hot water. Add the tea leaves to water and let them soak for a couple of minutes. Once the water has cooled down, apply it to the lashes. Do this once a day. Leave it on overnight preferably. You can store the rest of the green tea in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Use it for 3 to 4 days. This should be done once every day. Coconut milk. Full of natural, healthy fat, coconut milk can nourish your lashes. Soak a cotton pad in full-fat coconut milk and place it on your eyes for about 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Do this daily. Petroleum jelly. Pure petroleum jelly, if applied to your lashes regularly at night, helps your lashes grow faster, making them thicker and stronger. It is a wonderful emollient. Carefully apply some petroleum jelly on the eyelashes and leave it on overnight. Do this every night. Lemon peel soaked in olive oil. Olive oil promotes hair growth and thickness when applied to the lashes. The lemon peel, containing vitamins A and C, acts as a hair growth promoting agent. You will need peel of 1 lemon and 1/4 cup olive oil. Cut the lemon peel into small pieces and soak in the oil for 2 to 3 days. Apply this on the eyelashes before going to bed. Repeat this every night for longer, thicker eyelashes. Vitamin E. Prick open a vitamin E capsule and apply the oil on the eyelashes. Leave this on for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Do this once every day. The antioxidant capacity of vitamin E oil promotes healthy hair growth. Application of this oil will also improve blood circulation to the hair follicles. Eyelash serum. Castor oil nourishes the hair follicles and hair, while the essential oils promote hair growth. You will need 1 teaspoon of castor oil, 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil, 2 drops of cedarwood essential oil, and an empty mascara bottle. Into the empty and clean mascara bottle, carefully pour in all the oils. Close the lid and shake well. Apply a thin coat of this oil blend on your eyelashes using the mascara wand from the bottle, every night. Repeat this every night, and you will see results in a short span of time. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We need your support to keep posting, so please subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. And if you would like, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.